The hat's definitely on, the hands are washed. Don't go throwing your broccoli stalks away. Use them to make a delicious broccoli soup just like this one. This is a real quick way to use up your broccoli stalks. Don't throw them away in the compost. Make a broccoli soup with them. It's real simple, quick. I cut off the stalk bit so you get to the soft bit inside. Make sure all the outer bits that are not very nice are taken off. Then box them off. All these bits you've got left here can go straight in a saucepan like that, just roughly chopped. So with our middle bit, rather than just puree that all up, I like to just dice this bit up and we can add that at the end, just to give it a bit of extra texture. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Don't worry, I wasn't wearing this hat while I was making it. If that had gone up in flames, God knows what would have happened to the hair underneath. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below. And the missus is telling me she's going to knit me another hat like this to wear. So if you want to see that happen, subscribe.